Welcome to Edible ABCs. Hi friends, today we're learning about the letter T. Let's all say T together out loud. T. Now let's draw a T in the air with our fingers. One food that starts with the letter T is tomato. Can we all say tomato together? Tomato! Now it's time to learn, how does this food grow? Tomatoes were originally grown in Mexico. Tomatoes grow on plants that grow up and out of the ground. Tomatoes are the fruit part of the plant. You can see where tomatoes grow on this map of the United States. Most of the tomatoes we eat grow in the States, which are the color green. We are really lucky that tomatoes grow in Maryland and are ready to pick and eat from July through October. Now it's time to learn, how is this food good for me? This food is a good source of vitamin C. Vitamin C helps prevent your body from getting sick. It is important to eat this food so your body can stay healthy and you can learn, grow, and play every day. Let's all practice covering our mouth with our arm to protect our bodies from getting sick. This food is a good source of vitamin A. Vitamin A keeps your eyes healthy so that you can see things up close, like words on a page, and things far away, like the board in a classroom. Vitamin A also helps our eyes see in the dark. Let's turn up the lights so we can see how quickly our eyes adjust to the dark. This food is a great source of water. We can tell it has a lot of water because it is so juicy. When we eat this, our body gets water from the food. Water is very important for our bodies. It helps our blood and heart. Let's all place our fingers on our necks to feel our hearts beating. Now it's time for you to move your body. Physical activity keeps our whole body healthy. Moving our body makes our bones and muscles strong. Being active pumps blood and oxygen to our brain and the rest of our body. When we are active, we feel happier and learn better. Let's practice a new activity together. One activity you can do that starts with the letter T is toe touches. Great job moving your body. Now it's time to learn, how can we buy this food? When shopping for tomatoes at the store, you can look for them in their fresh, canned, or dried form. Now it's time to wash our hands. Before touching or eating any food, it's important to wash our hands. Let's all do this by scrubbing our hands with soap and warm water for 20 seconds. try singing your favorite song while you wash your hands. We also need to dry our hands really well too, especially before touching any food. If you aren't able to wash your hands with soap and water, you can use a hand wipe to get all of that dirt off you see on your hands. Then, use hand sanitizer to remove the germs. Remember, soap and water is best when it's available. Happy hand washing! Now it's time to learn about trying new foods. If you're a little nervous about trying a new food, try touching it or smelling it first. When you're feeling brave, give it one small little lick or bite. Sometimes you have to try a new food several times before deciding if you like it or not. The most important thing to remember when tasting any food is to not yuck someone's yum. That means it's okay to not like a food and say it's not your favorite, but we don't use words like yuck or ew. Everyone can have a different opinion about a food, and that's okay. You might even change your own mind about a food as you grow older. I hope you get a chance to try a new food today and share your own polite opinion. There are lots of other healthy foods that start with the letter T. You should give these a try too. Can you name each of these foods? Turnip, tangerine, Thank you for listening today, friends. That's all we have for the letter T in tomatoes. See you next time. Hope you had fun with the edible ABCs.